What is DevOps? In a land where software dreams are made, two mighty teams worked, though dismayed. One wrote code with passion and fire, the other kept servers from going haywire. Developers bold with keyboards so bright, typed endless features deep into the night. Their job was to build, to create, to deploy, crafting each product with pride and with joy. Operations calm with scripts in hand, guarded the servers across the land. They managed the uptime, the logs, and the load, ensuring smooth travel on each data road. A wall stood tall between these two fine teams, an age-old scene. Code would be tossed like notes in the air, run it they'd shout, but ops would despair. Your code breaks the system, the ops would cry. Works fine on my machine, devs would reply. So chaos grew, intentions flared as downtime rose and no one cared. But one day a whisper began, a better way must be our plan. They tore down the wall brick by brick and started to learn a brand new trick. They called it DevOps, a magical blend where dev and ops became best friends. No longer apart, they shared the load and walked as one on the software road. They automated tasks once done by hand, tested each line before it could land. With CI/CD, code flew like wind, new version released with barely a grin. They monitored apps like a hawk on the wing, watching for bugs or any odd thing. Feedback came fast, fixes came faster, no more disasters, no more a plaster. Now products shine with updates so fast, the users rejoice, their struggles are past. For dev and ops now sail one ship on a journey of speed and partnership. So here's the tale of a wiser crew who found success in something new. DevOps, they learned, was more than a name. It was a team, a goal, a flame. Together they build, together they run. Their software journey has just begun. So if you seek to code with grace, let dev and ops share the same space.